Yeah, so there's the wheel I got to replace. My suspension. Basically, I'm just going to start taking try not to take that part of the shock off. Try to take off as little as possible so I can get at that shaft to replace that wheel. First step basically is just to loosen off that spring, take the pressure off the spring. Okay, so basically I'm just got the wheel replaced, took everything apart, and I'm just putting it back together. Yeah, so just doing the final tightening, and once I get those side wheels back on and the springs, just be careful with the springs there. They get a lot of tension in them. And then after that, basically I make sure everything's torqued, and I'll be ready to grease everything and then put it back in the machine.